Prelims is over and you are thinking about the main exam now. Really? Is that the thing on your mind? Not for many of you. Not yet. You are thinking about your attempts, good marks, possible marks, the cutoffs, result date, the date of the main exam, and so many other things. You're already scouting for the various analysis sessions talking about these things. And that's all but natural. If you are serious about something, that's bound to happen. You are worried about your performance, whether you'll be shortlisted, when is the main exam, how much time do you have, and all those other things. That's natural, I understand. But I would suggest you to start working on the main exam right away. Why? Simple reason. I've already discussed many of these things many times before. Simple reason. One, with so many slots, with the exam happening so many slots, it's very difficult to predict the cutoffs. Fine, it did not give you the paper and all. It's very tough. It's really very, very tough. So you've seen way too many times people coming out saying बहुत बढ़िया हुआ, going out, and people who are like terribly disappointed with their performance getting a call. So it happens. It's going to happen this time as well. So it's very tough. Two, even if we assume that you are able to predict it, and so you believe you have done well, fine, but still a little apprehensive about the result and all, you have every reason in the world to start working for it. If you believe you have not done well, you might not get shortlisted, fine. What's there in this word that tells you that you should not work harder? So working for mains is not very different. You need to adapt a little. It's not very different. It's going to help you in the next season as well. So what's the reason for you to keep waiting? So what is it that I'm going to tell you? I am telling you a very simple thing. Prelims exams are over. Start working for the main exam. Do not worry about the result. Do not think about the result. Do not try and analyze your performance. It's not going to help you. Not going to help me anyway. Change the focus and start working on the main exam from this very moment. Nothing is going to help you. Look, अगर सोचोगे परेशान होगे तो वैसे भी it's going to spoil the thing for you. अगर बहुत खुश हो जाओगे तो probably it can be good, but I would say that even if you've done well, you've just won the battle. The war is about to begin. ऐसा ही है ना? तो वो तैयारी करनी है उसकी. You have to start working for it. So start working for it. You know, many people would say the bad thing that can happen to us is I do not get shortlisted for both the exams, SBIPO and IBPSPO. Yes, I understand it'll be very bad. I'll tell you what is worse. What is the worst that can happen to you? The worst would be that you do not prepare, you keep waiting for the result, you are shortlisted and then you are not prepared. Get the point? आप अभी से तैयारी नहीं करेंगे, आप वेट करेंगे, रिजल्ट आ जाएगा और फिर हाथ पैर फूल जाएंगे. You'll be very nervous. कैसे करूँ? It happens all the time. Happens every time. वो नहीं होने देना, वो सबसे ख़राब है. ठीक है, फेल पास चलता रहता है, हो जाएगा. मेहनत करिए तो रिजल्ट आना चाहिए, बट ये नहीं होने देना है. मेंस की तैयारी करनी है. सवाल ये करनी कैसे? हाउ डू यू डू इट? सो आई हैव मेड अ सेशन ऑन इट, एन इलैबोरेट वन. आई विल शेयर द लिंक of it in the description and the pinned comment. Fine, go through it. 10 points, 10 bullet points. Follow it, and you should be through. Some you'll have to adapt yourself a little, the preparation a little. How you have to get in the problem solving mode. You have to start writing descriptive section. You have to work on a general awareness. So 3-4 major things on which you need to work. But the preparation is not vastly different. Fine. Exams are different. The two exams are very different. Preparation, course content, all is very similar, except for 3-4 things that I just mentioned. So I've talked about in detail in that video. That's there. Watch it. Please start working on it. If you work on it and you do not get shortlisted, just think about it. I mean, I'm being negative here, playing the devil's advocate. पढ़ाई करी इस तरीके से मेंस के लिए, do not get shortlisted. Would that harm you? Think about it. It'll be a terrible disappointment. I understand. But there are 2 exams. You're waiting for the 2 results, right? नहीं हुआ, कुछ नुकसान करेगा? नहीं करेगा ना. बट अगर हो गया एंड वी आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, क्या नुकसान हो सकता है? थिंक अबाउट दैट. आप अपने को अलाउ ही नहीं करोगे एक भी दिन खराब करने के लिए, एंड ये नहीं करना है. नहीं करना है बिकॉज वी नीड टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ दिस लिमिटेड टाइम. यू कैन हैव probably 25 days, a month and a half, not more than that. The dates are still not final. We do not know. So stop waiting for it. What we know is that we still have some around 3 weeks, not less than that. Make the most of it. Time मत खराब करो, ठीक है. If you can somehow predict the dates, some people predict the dates and you believe they're right, देख लो, बस उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं. So you should just think like this is the minimum that I have, around 3 weeks, and then any more time that I get would be bonus. So keep or start working for a main exam keeping December end in mind. Just think of it like that, and then whenever it happens, happens on 2nd, 4th, 8th, 15th, 20th, whatever, there'll be the bonus time. Can you think like that? So my target would be completing everything by 31st of December. Starting mock tests and all those things, revision, higher level problems and all those things, multiple things. I've talked about it. Video देखो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. And then whatever extra time I get would be the bonus time. Mocks देना start कर दो. I'll do another session on mocks, especially on mocks for mains. So mock taking strategy would be different for prelims and main exam. I've done one for prelims already. I'll do one for mains. Watch it and do it accordingly. You cannot afford to take 20 mocks. टाइम ही नहीं है ना मेंस के लिए. एनालिसिस इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वेरी फ्यू मॉक्स. आई टॉक इन डिटेल अबाउट इट, सेक्शनल मॉक्स एंड ऑल, इन अ कपल ऑफ डेज. वॉच दैट. आई टेल यू हाउ टू गो अबाउट. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू यूटिलाइज द मॉक्स ऑप्टिमली इन द मेन एग्जाम. थोड़ा सा फर्क हो जाता है, अदरवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम खराब होगा. तो अभी के लिए वॉट यू हैव टू डू, स्टार्ट रिवाइजिंग, गेट इन द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मोड, स्टार्ट राइटिंग डिस्क्रिप्टिव, फाइन, वर्क ऑन ए जनरल अवेयरनेस. दिस इज इट. फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग एल्स. कुछ भी मत सोचो रिजल्ट कैसा आएगा, क्या आएगा, नहीं आएगा, सब ठीक होगा. मेहनत की है ना, यू वर्कड हार्ड ना. कैसे नहीं आएगा यार, 2 एग्जाम्स हैं, कुछ तो रिजल्ट आएगा ना. पॉजिटिव रहो, बहुत ज़रूरी है. लाइफ के लिए भी ज़रूरी है, एग्जाम के लिए भी ज़रूरी है, हर चीज़ के लिए ज़रूरी है. सो व्हाट इज द बॉटम लाइन, व्हाट एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट? आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू टू गेट इन टू द मेन्स मोड, स्विच गेयर्स. इट्स टाइम टू स्विच गेयर्स. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, अडेप्ट करने में टाइम लगता है, बट गुड थिंग इज द 2 मेन एग्जाम्स आर हैपनिंग ऑलमोस्ट टुगेदर. बहुत सारी सीट्स हैं एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंक्रीजिंग द वैकेंसीज एज वेल. इसका मतलब क्या है, हमारे पास बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज आने वाली हैं. शॉर्टलिस्ट आ गया, ज़बरदस्त चांस होगा कन्वर्ट करने का, कुछ बढ़िया करने का. लग जाओ यार. व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? कुछ भी नहीं करना है, अभी से इसी मोमेंट से गैस चेंज कर लो, 1 घंटे का ब्रेक लो, दिमाग को एक बार रिफ्रेश करो, F5 दबाओ दिमाग में एंड गेट स्टार्टेड. बढ़िया ही होगा, बढ़िया से प्रिपेयर करेंगे. अगर कुछ खास चीज़ें अगर आप चाहते हो, यू वांट टू डू समथिंग स्पेशल, आई एम प्लानिंग टू डिस्कस सम प्रॉब्लम्स फ्रॉम द ओपन मॉक्स, मॉक 1, मेन्स मॉक 1 ऑफ practice mock and olive board for both SBIPO or IPSPO. So if you find any problem in quant and reasoning or even English from practice mock and olive board open mock, the free mock 1 of either SBIPO or IBPSPO, कुछ specific problem है, कोई puzzle है, परेशान कर रही है, you believe you do not know the optimal way, share करना. I'll look at it and we'll do it here on the open platform. जो enrolled बच्चे हैं उनको ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा कुछ है करने के लिए, लगे रहो यार, सब कुछ खत्म करो, बट यहाँ लेवल सेशंस भी ज़रूर देख लेना, इसमें I'll discuss some good problems. ठीक है, तो लग जाओ यार, टाइम नहीं है, अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करना है एंड देन विल मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. ऑल द बेस्ट.